Christmas, May.
The only thing is, traveling around, we don't want a big mess.
No.
Right.
That's a problem, right?
Couple inches so it looks pretty.
Yeah.
Take your pictures. Go sledding for a few hours.
Tell your in-laws that are trying to get here not to come. Just stay home. If you don't want to, just go ahead and cancel the trip. I'm kidding. So we're not going to pronounce any of these cities. Carl, give it a try there. What's that city there?
Is there a...
What is it? What's that one there on the right?
Yakist?
No, everybody knows this. You know what it is.
You're talking in tongues.
I have no idea. I mean, welcome to Russia here. Yeah, what is that? Yakutsk? I don't know.
Dr. Zhivago?
You can get yourself in trouble if you pronounce these real fast. So you got to be careful. But anyway, these are air temperatures right now up north and 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 below zero. This is some crazy air, cold air building. And here's the problem. That cold air is over here, right? Well, we're going to develop what we call cross-polar. We're calling it cross-polar chaos, where the Arctic air and the Siberian air and the polar air, it all comes down as one, but it'll come up and over, and again, jet stream will come up and over the pole down into the U.S. We're right down in here. There's Oklahoma. And this is going to be a northern hemisphere, North America, kind of a major weather pattern change coming up that will impact many places here in the U.S., including Oklahoma. That's the bad news. The good news, the rain we had last night and overnight this morning, anywhere from not much in the southwest to 1 to 2 inches of rain across much of central and eastern Oklahoma. Had a ½ inch or more in Oklahoma City. El Reno had nearly an inch. Norman had 2 to 3 to 4 inches of rain with some localized flooding down there. So even though we have the tornadoes, yes, most places obviously did not, and most had some decent rain. For December, it was a good rain. Here in Oklahoma City, we're clear, 51 degrees. We are still south of the cool front with the southwest wind at 10. Low 50s, now some 40s creeping in out in Canadian County. There's your cold front behind it, 30s in the Panhandle. That front is Canadian air. And tomorrow, well, today, 60s. Tomorrow, in the 40s. And look at this upper low. This is what gave us this severe weather overnight and this morning. Upper low doing the spin, but notice how it's not moving. So what's going to happen is we're going to start to funnel in this cold air, and it's just going to get colder through the week. Each and every day, temperatures get a little colder. As that storm system finally pulls out the next couple of days, but man, it'll be chilly all the way through Saturday. We try to recover some by Sunday, and Monday, well, Monday's still going to be chilly, it looks like. And then might have a little rain, maybe some snow in the northwest. Monday, it looks cloudy and wet, just light rain and drizzle. And then that'll move on out. And then here's the problem. This is the problem, right? Talking about the polar vortex is coming south into Canada. The jet stream is going to come over the pole, and we're going to get all this going on for the end of next week, and it's going to hang around through Christmas. All right, so here's the setup next week. The cold air is here, all right? So we're talking about maybe some ice, maybe some winter weather across parts of Oklahoma, but we're dealing with, we're talking about maybe some snow. So cold through Saturday, there's your warm-up, and then next week, that's a high of 14 by Thursday of next week with the possibility of some winter weather. Sports is next.